Guys, this is always Khan, and I'm just making some excel in my findings as a twitcher. I'm not a twitcher, but just trying to get some good captures here at Milestone Garden. So this is my quick observant here, what she can do here, because I'm seeing crows here, birchen, I'm looking something to pet and get something in the grain from this ingrained dirt and the mud. However, we don't have a milestone for pulses or grains here crown in the main course what we have on this concourse. The crows and a lot of birds are pitching here. This is the main pitching, so we can just have some milestone for the pulses or grains so that crows or birds can come and also pick grains and just be satisfied as well. Thank you very much.